friends, my name is Dhokne Abhishek and today's topic is multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multi-threading of both are used to achieve the multitasking. However, the use of multi-threading then multiprocessing because threads are use a shared memory area. They don't allocated separate memory area, so save memory and context switching between the threads takes less time than process. Java multi-threading is mostly used in games, animation, etc. Some advantages of Java multiprocessing: it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and they can perform multiple operations at the same time. The second advantage is you can perform many operations together, so it saves the time. The third advantage is threads are independent, so it doesn't affect other thread if an exception occur in a single thread. Next is multitasking. Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in a two ways: process based multitasking means multiprocessing, and thread based multitasking. Thread class is runnable in interface. If we extend the thread class, our class cannot extend any other class because Java doesn't support multiple interface. But if we implement the runnable interface, our class can still extend other base classes. We can achieve basis function of the thread by extending thread class because it provides some inbuilt method like yield, interpret, etc. that are not available in a runnable interface. Using runnable will be give the object that can share among multiple threads. Java is multi-threaded programming language, which means we develop multi-threaded programming. Java, the multi-threaded programming contain two or more parts that can run concurrent, and each part of handle the different tasks and same time, making optional make use available resource, especially when the computer has multiple CPUs. By definition, multitasking is when multiple process shared common processing resource such as CPU. Multi-threading extend the ideas of multitasking into the application, into the individual thread. This is all about multitasking in Java. Thank